The current share price of Beyond Meat is $1.05, and I own 225 shares in this account. I had been trading cash-secured puts and covered calls around these 125 shares, and on December 26th, I was assigned to buy 100 shares with a strike price of $1. At the time, the share price was only 92 cents. But even being assigned above the current share price, my adjusted cost per share for the 225 shares in the account was still just under $1. So my plan was to sell a covered call with a strike price of $1 and let go of 100 shares. At the same time, I have been also selling a covered call with a strike price of $1.50, hoping to earn some capital gains before I let go of the other 100 shares that I'm trading in this position. With the share price greater than $1, I'm going to look at the option chain and see how much premium is available for a $1 strike and a $1.50 strike expiring January 16th. Since I've already determined that I'm willing to let go of 100 shares for $1 a share, which is exactly what I paid for them, rather than selling them today for $1.05, I'm going to sell a covered call with a strike price of $1 and bring in 11 cents a share before I let go of these shares. The risk is that the share price could decline below $1 a share, and I'll still be holding these 100 shares, but I don't really mind if that happens because it seems there are pretty consistent premiums available at the $1 strike, so I just sell another call while I wait for the share price to recover. The $1.50 strike would only bring me a couple of dollars, and after trading fees, it would actually be just a little more than $1. So I'm going to look out further in time for the $1.50 strike. The February 6th expiration would bring me about $8 for the contract, plus the possibility of the extra 50 cents a share or $50 if it goes in the money. So I'm going to go ahead and sell a $1 strike expiring on January 16th, and then I'll go out a little further in time for the $1.50 strike. That one filled at 11 cents per share. And for the $1.50 strike, I asked for 9 cents a share, and that is exactly where it filled. For this $1 covered call, I'm going to use a collateral value of 105 because that's what the shares are worth right now. And I'll do the same with the $1.50 strike. I'd be happy with assignment for either one of these contracts. Let's do a quick sum. Since I started trading this on November 10th, my total out of pocket is $204.53. I'm going to divide that by 225 shares to show I have an average investment per share of just over 91 cents. The current net liquidating value of the entire position is $215.75. So right now I have a gain on this position of $11.22, and that number will improve as the extrinsic value of these two option contracts erode. And we'll check back on January 16th and see how it turns out.